Hello, great people. Welcome back to our channel. We are so excited to have you again. Some time ago, the Northern Elders Forum had put up a request in the law court for the Senate President and also Attorney General of the Federation to grant the request of the Southeast seceding from Nigeria. And they stated their reasons. One of it was to halt the rate of negative events happening in the Southeast, and secondly, to prevent the repeat of the 1967 to 1970 civil war that took place in Nigeria. And that was their request. And the defendants in that case was actually Malami and the Senate President, that's Lawan, and also Bajabiamela, who is the Speaker of the House of Representatives. But shockingly, they did not include any Igbo person to stand in for the Igbos. But right now, a group of lawyers from the Southeast, under the aegis of Igbo Lawyer Association, have placed a demand on the court to do this for them. You're going to hear what their request is. And from all indication, it may possibly fast track, the case, because I know that with them coming in, it may be an advantage for the Northern Elders. We're going to be looking at all of that in a jiffy. But before we do that, if you're not subscribed to our channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you get notification anytime we publish. Some lawyers from the southeastern part of the country have applied to the Federal High Court in Abuja to be joined as defendants in a suit by a group of Northern elders praying for the exit of the southern region from Nigeria. The application, they said, was based on the agitation of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, and its leader, Nnamdi Kanu. The legal practitioners, led by a senior advocate of Nigeria, Chief Sh0ck Malami, were Upai Ukairo, Ebere Zoata, and Honorable Obi Emuka. They sought an order of the court to allow them join in the suit as representatives of the people of the Southeast region. An application for joinder filed by Victor Oweremadu on Monday in Abuja, the applicants claimed that the case of the Northern elders seeking the exit of Southeast from Nigeria had the capability to shape the lives of generations of the Igbo people. The motion on notice for the joinder request was brought pursuant to Order 9 Rule 5 and Order 26 Rule 2 of the Federal High Court Civil Procedure Rule 2019. The Northern Elders had earlier filed a contentious suit against the court to compel the Senate President and Speaker of the House of Representatives to hasten the exit of the southeastern region out of Nigeria before concluding the ongoing amendment to the country's constitution. The request was one of the three prayers sought in a suit marked FHC ABJ/CS 538/2021, instituted by a group of elders and politicians from North, led by Natura Asha Sharif, Balarebe Rufai, Abdulaziz Suleiman, and Aminu Adam. In their suit, the Northerners claim in a supporting affidavit that their action was informed by the need to stem the tides of violence and destruction allegedly occasioned by the agitation for secession championed by Nnamdi Kanu, led IPOB. The plaintiff also claimed that they did not want repeat of the 1967 to 1970 civil war in Nigeria, which cost the country many innocent lives and properties worth billions of naira. The Attorney General of the Federation, AGF, the Senate President, the Speaker of the House of Representatives, and the National Assembly are all listed as defendants in the suit. Although the Igbos are not joined in the suit, the Igbo lawyers claim they had an interest to protecting the suit. Hence, their request to be made a set of defendants in the case. In their 12-paragraph affidavit in support of their application, the lawyers noted that the northern elders in their suit did not think it necessary to join the people of the Southeast or their representatives to enable the court hear from them. The affidavit deposed to by one Ekena Felix Jonathan read in part, and I quote, he said that this suit is so crucial and sensitive matters which concern the indigenous people speaking tribes in Nigeria and had the capacity to shape the lives of the future generation of the people of the southeast of Nigeria and another indigenous Igbo-speaking tribes in Nigeria. That the Igbo Lawyers Association represented by the applicants are an indigenous association of lawyers from the southeast of Nigeria and other indigenous Igbo-speaking tribes in Nigeria. That the Igbo Lawyers Association and its objective is to represent the interests of the Igbo people, which said people are indigenous in the southeast of Nigeria. Thus, the association is interested and is a necessary party to be joined. That it will serve the interests of justice if the Honorable Court grants the application and join the applicant as defendants in the suit, and that the plaintiff will not be prejudiced or prejudiced if the application is granted. Meanwhile, Justice Inyang had fixed November 1st for the hearing of the suit. My God, this is a case that, it's already obvious that this may go in favor of the northern elders. Don't forget that when we're talking about cases like this, it's such that the people involved already know what it would turn out to be. And mandating, I don't know the provisions that are laid out, but mandating that they should be joinders, that's in the defense counsel. In the case, for me, it's going to be a plus, and it's a plus to IPOB and will quicken the secession move made thus far. Don't even forget that this Igbo Lawyers Association we're talking about are totally in support of what is happening among the Igbos, talking about the move for secession. And if they are given an opportunity like this to stand in the defending forum, they will do everything it takes to ensure that they quickly give good reasons why the request by the Northern Elders Forum should be granted. And if it's coming from them, being that according to them, the few persons who are speaking as lawyers from the Southeast are actually representatives of the Southeast and also representative of the Igbo Lawyers Association, it may sell through quickly. I don't know. Well, looking at this case, it's something that the defendants who are currently in the request list of the Northern Elders, they should immediately halt, this joinder, because if you allow the Igbo lawyers to join, automatically they will stand to defend the request by the elders of the northern part of Nigeria. But one of the things they did not really ascertain when it comes to the issue of that document was that they did not open up to tell Nigeria, I'm talking about the northern elders, if this request they're talking about is just for the 5 southeastern states, or it will also include some Igbo-speaking communities in other states of the Federation. They did not include that. But however, November 1st is not very far away from now. And if nothing is done speedily by the senior president who has been called upon, to appear in court to also hear the request of this elder northerners, then if nothing is not done by them, automatically they will be put in a position to accept, Biafra leaving, Igbos leaving Nigeria, which currently the president is fighting tooth and nail against it. However, we are watching and we are waiting to see If they will be accepted to be part of the fence line, if they accepted, you know what the end will be. I like to leave it. They go to